Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make sure your cookies are enabled in Google Chrome. So first, click on the three dots on the right corner of your screen, then scroll down to Settings. Now, once Settings is open, head over to Privacy and Security, then scroll all the way down to Site Settings, then scroll down and select Third-Party Cookies. Now, to make sure that they are enabled, you can tick this first option here, or you could choose to block third-party cookies in incognito mode. This will allow cookies in normal Google Chrome, but block them in incognito mode. And that's all for today's video. I hope it helped you out. If it did, make sure to leave a like, share, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.